Welcome to this recording for using Smart Component Builder. In this video, you'll learn how to use Smart Component Builder to edit and create Practifi components. We'll review what Smart Component Builder is, how to access it, how to create a new component from scratch using natural language, and how to edit existing components. Please note, Smart Component Builder is a part of our Admin Intelligence add-on. To request access to this feature, reach out to your Client Success Manager or Practifi contact. Enabling Smart Component Builder requires signing additional data processing agreements due to our AI provider partnership. Smart Component Builder is an AI-powered tool that enables Practifi administrators to create and edit custom components using natural language. Instead of manually writing JSON configurations, you describe what you want in plain English, and the AI assistant generates the appropriate component configuration. Smart Component Builder supports data table and tile components with more component types planned for future releases. You can access Smart Component Builder in a number of ways. First, by going to the Settings app. Click the App Launcher and select Settings. Click the caret to the right of the navigation menu and select Smart Component Builder. From here, you can search for an existing component to edit or create a new one from scratch. To edit an existing tile, you can hover over it and then click the pencil icon to open that tile component in Smart Component Builder. To edit a table, click the edit icon above the table to open the component in Smart Component Builder. In this case, there's a user variable menu that lets me select a user from my organization that I can view this table as. To add a new tile component to an existing tile row, click the Add icon above the tile row. Smart Component Builder opens with the new tile highlighted. Lastly, to add a new table component, you can click the Add icon on a table viewer to open Smart Component Builder. Let's walk through creating a new homepage tile from scratch. As we just showed, the easiest way to add a new tile to an existing tile row is to click the plus icon, which opens Smart Component Builder. The Smart Component Builder interface is split into two panels. On the left is the chat interface where you describe your requirements in natural language. The AI assistant guides you through the process, asking clarifying questions when it needs more information. On the right is a live preview panel that displays your component with actual data from your Practifi organization. As you refine requirements through conversation, the preview updates in real time so you can see exactly what you're creating before saving. I want to create a new homepage tile for my team. I want it to show upcoming tasks, so I'll ask the AI to create a tile showing the current user's tasks that are due in the next 5 business days. The assistant asks what columns should be displayed in the tile table. I'll say Subject, Related Entity, Description, and Due Date. The assistant confirms that the tile has been updated. I'll select a user and click on the tile to preview the table. The columns I asked for have been added. I've thought of something else. I'll ask to add an action allowing users to mark tasks as complete directly from the tile table. From the preview, I could confirm that the action appears. One last thing. I want to move this tile so it appears first in the tile row. Once again, I can confirm from the preview that the tile has been rearranged. When I'm happy with my changes, I can click Save. We recommend using a naming convention, such as App, Location, and Component. I'll click Save, and I get a confirmation message. Back on the home page, my new tile appears first in the My Tasks tile row. Let's review how to edit an existing component. From this Assets table, I can click the Edit icon to open the table in Smart Component Builder. In this case, I need to select an entity record to allow me to preview the table. I'll ask the AI to add a custodian column to the table. The preview updates and I can see the new column, but I'd like to rearrange it. I'll ask the assistant to move the column so it appears after the category column. If I'm happy with everything, I can click Save, or I can click Restore Original to go back to the original version of the component. When you edit Practifi's standard components, Smart Component Builder automatically clones them when you save. Practifi's package components are protected and cannot be directly modified. When you edit one and click Save, Smart Component Builder creates a copy with your modifications and renames the package component by adding Original to its name. This means future Practifi upgrades will update the original version without affecting your customized component. It also means the original is always available as a reference if you want to compare or revert your changes. Any custom components you previously created are not subject to automatic cloning. Adding a custom component to a record page requires you to edit the page layout in Lightning App Builder. From here, you would add a Practifi component to the page and update the config name. For detailed instructions on working with custom components, see our article on understanding and using Smart Component Builder at success.practifi.com. For usage tips and troubleshooting information, see Smart Component Builder Best Practices. You've reached the end of the vignette video for using Smart Component Builder. If you have any questions, reach out to your Client Success Manager or our Practifi support team. To learn more about Practifi, feel free to take a look at some of our other videos. Thanks for watching.